Alright, push her outside, see what it looks like after I did the clay bar and a little bit of cut and a couple rounds of polish. She was pretty bad. Some old paint, but it still looks pretty damn good. Laser red, he said they call it. Looks pretty good. Can't remember how old the paint is, but I think it was painted in the late 90s, he said, if I remember correctly. Turned out pretty good. We'll put the coating on it here in a little bit. Ceramic coating on it. Get her sealed up again. Ready to go for another summer of racing. About to make a little bit of noise with it. Aaron Big Daddy Gerling, as they call him. Alright, that was after a cut, polish, and clay bar, and whatever else we had to do to it. So, see what it looks like when we get it all done. Alright, catch you later.